One of the main obstacles that JK owners face is how do you get the doors off when you take the bolts off and it just won't lift. No matter what you try, it just won't lift. What you gotta do is you gotta take your wiring out first and just move it back and forth, loosening it. Just like so. Now that I've moved it a couple of times, it has become a little bit looser. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get underneath, I'm going to lift as I'm moving the door back and forth. And you're going to notice that it will come up. There it is. It's popped off. And that one's off. This one's a lot tougher. Let's take a break. There we go. The trick is loosening it up like this first. If you don't do this first, you'll never get it. I've heard of people putting a jack underneath of it with a piece of wood. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is just loosen it up. Okay, it's halfway done, as you can see. This is a 2015, so it probably hasn't been off in 8 years. There we go. So that is the fix for the stuck doors on a JK. Follow those steps and it'll be sure to get those stubborn doors off your Jeep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys next week. Take care.